Welcome to our Food CV. Today, we're delving deep into the world of onions, one of the most versatile and flavorful ingredients in the culinary realm. Fun fact number 1. Onions belong to the allium family, along with garlic, shallots, and leeks. These pungent bulbs have been cultivated for thousands of years and are used in various cuisines worldwide. Fun fact number 2. There are several types of onions, each with its unique taste and purpose in the kitchen. Common varieties include yellow onions, red onions, sweet onions, and shallots. Each type offers a distinct flavor profile, from sharp and spicy to mild and sweet. Fun fact number 3. Onions aren't just about adding flavor, they also pack a nutritional punch. They are rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and dietary fiber. Additionally, onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that may have health benefits. Fun fact number 4. The famous onion tear-jerker effect is due to a volatile compound that is released when you cut an onion. To minimize tears, try refrigerating the onion before cutting or using a sharp knife. Cooking the onions also reduces the tear-inducing compound. Fun fact number 5. Onions are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used raw in salads, pickled for tangy bites, caramelized for sweetness, sautéed as a base for many dishes, or roasted to bring out their natural sweetness. Fun fact number 6. Onions have played a fascinating role in folklore and history. Ancient Egyptians worshipped onions and even buried them with pharaohs as they believed onions symbolized eternity. Onions were also used as currency by certain cultures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, onions are a must-have staple in your kitchen. Their distinct taste and ability to elevate dishes make them a true culinary treasure. So, let's celebrate the mighty onion and explore the endless possibilities it offers in our cooking adventures.